From day one in office, Governor Alex Otti, OFR, was intentional about the development of the natural resources sector of a state which comprises of the petroleum and solid mineral resources deposits that the state is endowed with. This sector was not exempted from the underdevelopment and the rot that plagued the state for decades. To quickly turn things around in this strategic and important sector of the state's economy, Governor Otti appointed Professor Obunna F. Joel, a professor of petroleum engineering and former dean, Faculty of Engineering at the University of Port Harcourt, to drive his vision for the sector. In the last 2 years, deliberate efforts has been made to revive a sector that has remained dormant for years. They include, but not limited to, establishment of the Abia Industrial and Innovation Park (AIIP). This major capital industrial park development project sits on a 1,933 hectare of land at Owaza area of Abia State, Nigeria. When completed, it would be the first innovation cluster in Africa for scaling industrial production and manufacturing of goods and services. Preliminary oil and gas block and well study within Abia State revealed that the state has oil blocks totaling 53 wells, out of which only 8 are currently producing. Besides the 53 wells in the 4 oil blocks, a set of about 100 cap wells also exist within Abia State. These fields have a combined booked resource volume of about 100 million barrels. Abia State has set up a joint partnership with Petroleum Technology Association of Nigeria (PETAN) to jointly own an oil company incorporated as Apton Energy Limited to enable the state and the oil-producing communities benefit fully from the oil deposits of the state. The state government successfully engaged an investor on the PPP arrangement to establish a 10,000 barrels per day modular refinery at Owaza AIIP location. That led to the approval given by the federal government to HSI Refining and Petrochemical Limited to establish the 10,000 barrels per day modular refinery at the Abia Industrial and Innovation Park AIIP site. Beyond oil, Abia houses several solid mineral resources across the length and breadth of the land. These ranges from gold to iron ore, uranium, quartz, kaolin, limestone, salt, coal, silver, glass sand, and more. The government assembled consultants and commissioned a field study of solid minerals in the state. This will help discover the quality and quantity of mineral deposits in the state for proper exploration and mining for the overall benefits of all stakeholders. The state government has also inaugurated Oil and Gas Producing Host Communities Stakeholders Committee to enable effective engagement with oil companies in Abia for Petroleum Industry Act (PIA) implementation. The government of Governor Otti is desirous to tap into the mineral potentials of the state, and most samples have been sent to laboratories awaiting results to kickstart a beneficial collaboration with the private sector and investors to explore and harness them. Abia State has been on the global map for the right reasons in the last 24 months, to the glory of God.
What we waited for.